What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. Riley's having an awesome day. Say hi. Tell everybody say hi. Hi. Anywho. Well, lots been going on in the shop. Lots of changes. Lots of things are a little bit different. But everything's rocking and rolling. So, quick shop update. Let's start off with outside. So, as you can see, hold on. Hey, go inside. As you can see, something giant and yellow is no longer in the parking lot. Thank God. It was actually moved to the back. That way we can have park spaces. Rock and roll. So, let's see what we got. Starting with John's TJ, he had a light on for his 4-wheel drive, even though he was in 2-wheel drive, so we did a transfer case switch, cured that up. We've got a 4-wheel alignment and a balance. Looks like he bought brand new tires. Beautiful XJ. That's going to be fun to balance. Anywho. We did a 2-inch lift kit to Rebecca's Land Cruiser. Looking good. Got some new shocks and springs in there from ARB and Old Man Emu. Looking good. Rock and roll. Looks nice. We got John's WJ. We got his windows working. So now we're going to do a leak detection pump. And then after that starts the fun stuff. Axle swap, lift kit, long arm, all that fun jazz. Still waiting on the engine for Mr. Robert Cummings, so that's always a blast. We've got poor little TJ right here. The rear differential decided to go bang, so I am currently putting a new one in there. Got to go get the new carrier because it demoed it pretty hard. Let's see what else we got. It's a giant mess in here. I don't know. Every time we do a whole bunch of work, it just becomes a mess. We got Rabbit. I can't tell you what it's in here for because we don't know whether that's going to work out or not. But what I can tell you is it's disassembled and not working. So fantastic. And we have a ride this weekend. We got the XJ rocking and rolling. Chris is doing a really good job. We already got new shocks. Gonna have new brakes, doing a crap load of maintenance to it. Chris is having a fun time. Say hi, Chris.
Hello.
We got valve cover gasket, thermostat housing, spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, you name it, this Jeep is getting it. So, because this stuff is all janked up. Check that out. That's super.
Right.
Yeah. It's fantastic. It'll run like a champ, won't it?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we're going to get this guy all situated up. Steve's Bronco is finally done. We finally got the new transfer case in there. It was an absolute mess to find the correct seals for the yokes because the yokes are a smaller diameter. That was a giant mess, so we finally got some seals that work. So we got his transfer case, his new transfer case in there. Got him all put back together, so he should be good to go. Drive it around, have a good time, blah, blah, blah. We still have the BMW in here waiting on the wheels to get back from powder coat. Parts, even for powder coat, is hard to get, so that's fun. Sebastian's here. Say hi, Sebastian. Sebastian, do you want to show everybody your van?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Let's go show everybody. I call it the shaggin wagon, but that's definitely not what he wants to call it. It's the coolest thing. Stay in here, baby.
Okay.
Good girl. All right. Go back here to the shaggin wagon. Or Sebastian, what's the name on this van? What's the name?
The pig.
The pig. I love it. So tell everybody about it. Here, I'm going to give you the microphone so that way everybody can hear you.
So it is a 1975 van, and I am born in 1975. So we are exactly the same age, and I think it is a part of the American history because they are very, very, very rare, especially shorty without any windows. Back then there were a lot of vans like that, but now it is nearly impossible to find.
Oh yeah. Perfect. Yes, they are extremely rare. But this one, coolly enough, has a small block 350 underneath the hood. And it was going to be an LS swap, but we decided to go for a little bit more horsepower with a little bit less money. So what's the goal horsepower-wise?
More power, more power, more power.
You want more power?
Yes. Power is good, more power is better.
That's it. So we're going to be doing some fun jazz to this thing. We got some cool stuff to do underneath of it. We got some engine work to do. I don't know. Probably, I don't know. What do you guys think? Like 500-600 horsepower? That's what I'm thinking. Hopefully it holds it. But yeah, I love it. It even smells like the 70s in here. Awesome. So, let's talk about the bus. The bus has gone through a little bit of changes. So as you can see, number one, it's back here instead of out front. But also, we got the new RV UV coating, whatever, on the top. So, thing stays cool in the summertime and in the heat and in the sun, all that fun stuff. Now, this is very rough. Don't make fun of me, but when you're making custom stuff, you kind of have to go one piece at a time. So what we did was, of course, when we cut the bus, it was just using a Sawzall. We cut it. So we had to cap all this off. So went to the Home Depot, got some metal. So we got this all capped off, looking decent for right this exact second. It's all just tacked into place, just barely holding in. We're gonna finish that up. We gotta fill in the holes right here and there and all that fun jazz. We got the anchor points welded down to the deck. Obviously, these are on top of the C-channels. They have two C-channels side by side underneath here, so I welded them straight on top of that, and then we're gonna bolt those just to be on the safe side. So that's where the Jeep is going to be attached. Also, kick ass. I spent 5 hours trying to figure this out, how I wanted to do it, but I've got some tie downs or not tie downs, well, I don't know. Anyways, I've got connection points for the ramps. That way they can be hard mounted to the bus. They can't go anywhere. And also it can be locked. So that's cool. So nobody steal my ramps. Yay. We're going to uncluster this stuff for the ramps to make that nice, happy, hunky-dory. We got tail lights in, all that fun jazz. So she is almost good to go. Getting close. Or let me rephrase. She's getting there. So, guys, we do have a ride to Windrock this weekend. So, guys, hope you're coming out. Hope you're gonna have an awesome time with us. We will be at D3 campsite, so Friday night we'll probably get there about 5. So guys, come out, have a beer with us, cook your food, we'll have a campfire, all that fun jazz. Saturday we'll ride throughout the day, come back, have dinner, and then ride again kind of towards night, so that way it's kind of like a night ride. So guys, if you're interested in that, come out. It's free to anybody, pet friendly, family friendly. Anything you want to bring, we will have an easy group and a hard group. Now, the last couple times I've said that, we actually haven't broken up into 2 groups for some god-awful reason. So this time it is going to be 2 separate groups. So it is going to be 2 separate groups. So guys, if you don't want to do the hard trails, I'll be leading the hard, Rabbit will be leading the easy, so you can do that. And I think that's it. Guys, I appreciate it. Hope you have an awesome rest of your day. We will see you guys later.